Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng Water Sign sa mundo. Pero okay lang yun, may mga next readings pa naman tayo. Okay, simulan na natin Water Sign. Ano ang messages para sa'yo? Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Wait lang guys, medyo luma na kasi yung ginagamit kong card. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-shuffle. Sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba. Sobrang na-appreciate ko your likes, comments, and your shares for water sign. Let's start the reading. Okay, wait lang, nalaglag. Okay. 8 of Cups, this is you, water sign. Well, this is your energy, you're thinking about the future. Nakita ko dito na pagtutulungan in the future with you, with someone else. Like, something is cooking here. Parang may something na ginagawa dito. But this time, hindi lang ikaw mag-isa yung papasan lahat nitong kung ano man ang itong gagawain ito. Like, someone is going to help you and ikaw din naman, may tutulungan ka na someone din. Tapos, there's something here na gagawain kayo together na itong gagawin ninyo na ito is hindi na mahirap kasi hindi lang ikaw mag-isa ang gagawa. Like, some of you or a lot of you water sign, it could mean partnership, especially money. So, ano yung main energy ng person na kakonect mo? Sino tong person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Okay, the person that you're dealing with is the 8 of Wands and the 6 of Swords. So, itong taong ito is, I mean, I hate to say this, pero pwedeng naka-move on na itong taong ito and that pwedeng ito yung taong sobrang nasaktan para sa'yo with the 5 of Cups, pero ngayon medyo yung pain na naramdaman niya or naiparanas mo sa kanya ay ito yung nagbigay ng kalakasan sa kanya with the Strength card and with the Ace of Cups. This person loves you so much. So, minahal ka niya ng lubusan, pero ngayon naka-move on na siya. I mean, malaki rin ang nitulong ng family para mangyari or may sagawa itong pag-move on na ito sa'yo. Okay, so ano yung emotion niyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of a water sign. The world is here. This is a major arcana. I mean, I will take this. Maraming lumabas. The Emperor is at the bottom of the deck. So, alin ka man dito, no? The World and the Empress. Yung iba sa inyo, actually, wala kang pakialam. You're just this person. Loving yourself. Mas nagfo-focus ka ngayon sa sarili mo, development mo as a person. So, pwedeng ngayon, yung nangyari sa inyo is like completion na talaga, okay na yon. Parang yun. And then, yung iba naman sa inyo, this is your side, the Justice card. Pwedeng ikaw naman ito, emotion mo to para sa kanya. I'm seeing a Libra energy here. Lalo na if it involves a child or may anak kayo dito ng person na ito, you're still thinking about this person. And the Ace of Wands, nandun pa rin yung emotion mo for this person. And then, gusto mong malaman kung ano yung emotion niya para sa'yo. You still care. Tapos gusto mong magkaroon siya ng care din regarding sa'yo or the child. Like only what resonates. So, yung emotion naman ng person na ito for you. Okay. You do have the Hangman and the 9 of Swords. Kukunin ko dalawa kasi dalawa yung nakuha kong energy para dun sa mga naghihintay because of a child or whatever. Itong person na ito is sorry. Baliktad pala. So, this is the one na if you are the one na parang natutunan mong mahalin ngayon yung sarili mo, mag-focus sa sarili mo, and then you feel like yung sa inyo na person na ito is completion, na talaga nag-complete na or okay na. The Nine of Swords and the Hangman, this person is waiting for you, nasasaktan siya, and then may mga lesson siyang na experience ngayon, nagpapakita sa akin yung Ten of Cups, which is this is a lot of love mula dito sa taong to. So, para naman doon sa mga iba na, you know, may children or child na involved, emotions ng person ito for you. The Hierophant, the Magician. Virgo energy, Six of Cups, Ten of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Oh, well, I feel like you need to focus on the things na madadevelop mo pa sa sarili mo or with regards to your children. Nakakita ko dito ng skills or talents or maybe pag-aaral na may kinalaman sa children, and that you should focus doon sa kung ano man yung mga gusto mong yari ng children or ng child na ito sa future niya, rather than focusing sa kung ano yung nararamdaman ng person na ito sa'yo. Like, kung ano man yung may mga bagay na may kinalaman sa family mo, focus on that. Yung emotion ng person na to, wala tayong nakikita sa ngayon, mas nakikita natin masaya naman itong taong ito. So, what will happen in the near future for you, water sign? Magkakaiba yung energy, guys. So, bahala ka na ilagay sarili mo doon sa sitwasyon. Three of Pentacles is here, the Strength card. And the Knight of Pentacles, well, I can see growth pagdating sa finances mo or ng child. You know, like what I've told you, do not focus on those people na nawala na sa buhay mo, because you just have to focus on yourself. Okay? Nakita tayo ng development sa'yo spiritually, and that over the Nine of Wands, yung iba may pagta-travel or someone is going to travel here. Either ikaw magta-travel or someone is going to travel papunta sa'yo. So, yeah. And yung travel na yon, hindi naman siya love-related agad-agad. It's just that pagta-travel siya, pero hindi naman siya nagsasabi na love-related yung travel na yon. So, yeah, the Page of Swords is here and the Two of Swords. So, there's a decision to make. Pero mas madali nang gawin yung decision ngayon dahil the Judgment is here na ipakita na ng universe kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat na ipakita sa'yo. Like, marami ka na natutunan ngayon na lesson sa buhay mo or sa mga tao sa paligid mo. So, alam mo na kung anong dapat mong gawing decision in the future. And with the Four of Pentacles, this is a choice wherein ang dapat isipin mo, ang piliin mo ay ang sarili mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.